This is the 52-inch, another 52-inch Casablanca hugger ceiling fan without a light kit. Yeah, this is in the hotel room too, and it's white. And I'll show you the colors. Okay, this is white too. Oak blades. They use white blades because they match around the hotel room. So I can show you 3 speeds. First, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna do fan. This is low. Yeah, it speeds on high sometimes. Yeah, Casablanca ceiling fans blows a ton of air, but they. Yeah. Well, this is supposed to be reversed, so I think this is medium. Yeah, this fan's super fast. High. Now off. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.